Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please do also subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell right next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss any single video that I post. Today's video is going to be about some products that I got from a company called Dollar Curl Club. So they contacted me on Instagram asking if I could try their product, and I said yes. So the products were mailed to me and it came in this box. When I opened it, it had a thank you note that says thank you, we are thrilled to have you as a member. We hope that your experience with us is a pleasant one. Our company's goal is to always provide high quality products and attentive customer service. All of our products are backed by 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate. The bag shows the products they have. So for the natural oils, they have the Nourishing Herbal Oil, Revitalizing Growth Oil. For the cleanse, they do have the Gentle Cleanse Shampoo and the Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner. For conditioners or for conditioning, they do have the Hydrating Detangling Conditioner and also the Repair Hair Mask. For moisturizers, they do have the Leave-In Conditioner and also they have Shine and Hold Mist. And lastly, for the styling, they do have the Curl Defining Cream and also they have Twist and Define Curls. So are you guys excited to see what I got in the box? So I got the Hydrating Detangling Conditioner. I got the Hydrating Gentle Cleanse Shampoo, the Leave-In Conditioner, the Curl Defining Cream, the Nourishing Herbal Hair Oil, and also the Revitalizing Growth Oil. Yeah, this is what was in the box, and let's go right ahead and let me show you guys how I use this product. To start with the wash, I would first apply the Nourishing Herbal Hair Oil onto my scalp and massage it carefully into it. Then go into the shower and then rinse off the oil off my hair. Now I'm going to cleanse my scalp and my hair using the Hydrating Cleansing Shampoo. I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair with the Hydrating Detangling Conditioner. Gently detangles, hydrates, and moisturizes for frizz-free and manageable curls. Most exciting of all is that it moisturizes and detangles your hair while conditioning your hair and your scalp. This product, there is no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oils, no phthalates, no paraffins, no propanol, and no animal testing. Let's move on to how I achieve those beautiful curls. First of all, I apply the growth oil onto my scalp and my hair and then massage it through. Then I apply the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner consists of avocado and grapeseed. It protects your curls while adding moisture for easier detangling and manageability. Just like the conditioner, the oil, and also the shampoo, this product has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oil, no phthalates, no paraffin, no propylene, and no animal testing. Products also improve the curl pattern in my hair. It also moisturized, protected, and strengthened my curls. After I applied the leave-in, I went right in with the curl defining cream, which is made of avocado and quinoa. Defines curls, reduces frizz, and elongates curls for a soft, silky feel while adding brilliant shine. The slip, the leave-in conditioner, and the curl defining cream gave me was amazing. As you all can see in the video, my curls are really defined, and whatever that was said on the leave-in conditioner, like all the products are true, guys. So far, I'm not seeing any residues or any flakes from the product, and I think that's amazing. I really do love my results. So as you all can see, my hair feels very soft. The products were very light. It didn't weigh down my hair. I like the product, guys. I would recommend you also try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have already tried it, please let me know what you think in the comment section below. And what is good about this product is that none of the product is higher than $8, guys. The product ranges from $1 to $8. It's very, very affordable. Everyone can afford this, guys. Trust me. My two favorite products in this This is the leave-in conditioner and the curl defining cream. It really defines your curls. You all saw when I took the flexi rods out. I really do love this product, and will I purchase it if I'm out of it? Yeah, I will. I'll definitely purchase it because they are good products, guys. As you all saw earlier, I did a flexi rod set using the curling cream and also the leave-in conditioner. Those two products are my favorite products of all, guys. So this is what we are gonna end the video today, and I'm definitely gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.